True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm giving a tour on the Santa Cruz bypass a day after the hurricane. Yeah man, so I'm giving a tour on the Santa Cruz bypass area. What's back in the days when in a hurricane or a storm, Santa Cruz bypass always flood out. You have to watch, you have to be careful when you're driving that even heavy rain around this side. Very dangerous for people, very, very, very dangerous. Yeah man, so big up on yourself when I watch from yard and abroad, you can big up on yourself, you know. And the tour guide Fire Reid. Also look at it after this, there'll be a chaos all about over the place. Everything is short, gas, you say gas short, everything short. Yes, boss, man, I wait, you know. Yeah, man, the boss, I clean up the road. Just need some assistance with the traffic. Yeah, man. This side pretty good, man. Pretty good, pretty good. See now all the fallen trees or utility pole. So at least we get an update on the area stay. So we have an understanding if you decide to come to Jamaica after the hurricane passing in Jamaica. I don't know where to go and what to say. Alright, so big over light post here, so tear down. You know when the JPS come and assist on your left, you have the a Dunkley Town community. You see light post on the road there. Wow. Make a left turn for Market Street. So take a view of Santa Cruz Market. No if I stall them up and running in the Santa Cruz. See them there? Food I go sell you now. Yeah, there phone now, okay, no man. No phone now.